Racing just is started. We have Mr. Environment. Break quickly at a start. Fleetwood Playmaker. Moving up on the outside. Manila's Gem. Viva Bola. While the Surgeon is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Playmaker. By over length and a half. And in second is Fleetwood. 3 lengths further back in third comes Mr. Environment. Moving up on the outside. Port Manila's Gem, the Surgeon, while Viva Bola now racing in last back to the leader. We have Playmaker by over length, and in second is Fleetwood. 4 lengths further back in third, moving upon the outside is Manila's Gem. Down on the inside now is Mr. Environment, the Surgeon, while Viva Bola is still racing in last. At the fourth turn, we have Fleetwood. This time by about 4 lengths, and in second, Playmaker. Manila's Gem in third. Viva Bola is on the outside. Mr. Environment and the Surgeon as they swing for home. We have Fleetwood maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Manila's Gem is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Fleetwood, Manila's Gem moving up now to take the lead. We have Manila's Gem, and finally Manila's Gem, Fleetwood, Viva Bola. Then comes Mr. Environment, Playmaker, and the Surgeon.
Alright. Kwentuhan na lang, napaikutan pa ako.